So I am Jimmy Lee Bennard, and I'm the estate butler from the Ridge Estate Hotel in the foothills of Alberta, just southwest of Calgary. Currently, I am working on, well, I'm about to give a presentation in half an hour, but I am actually working on taking myself to further my future for 2020. So I'm starting a new job in 2 weeks, and I'm just wrapping everything up at my previous job. And my last big project will be a big wedding that we're doing on Saturday. I think the biggest challenge is the fear of the unknown, right? So I've been with my current employer for 7 years, and it's going great and it's amazing, but I just felt like I wasn't furthering myself. And so with the new decade of 2020, I decided that I was going to put on my big shoes, and I'm starting something new, and it's exciting, but it's also scary. So I think it was just that fear of taking that first step, because you're comfortable, and when you're in a position for 7 years, and to start something new, and it also involves me moving. So big, exciting changes. I think what I'm most excited about is where my journey's taking me. So I am starting a new job and I'm starting my own company, and I'm really looking forward to what 2020 will bring, because I've been out of the city for so long that after 7 years, I'm coming right back down to downtown Calgary, and I think I'm very excited to be back where it all started 7 years ago.